How to get the best Suno AI working promo codes. This method I'm going to be showing you is going to be working in both ways, which means it also works on your mobile phone. So the first thing you do is just access any preferred web browser that you want and head directly to your search bar and then just simply type in wethrift.com. Now this specific site is giving us a certain amount of discounts and promos that is going to be free for any available platforms that this website offers. Now once you're here, head directly to the search bars or search stores. Then here all you have to do is just to type in Suno without the AI in it. Just simply type in Suno and click on that. So as you can see, we have multiple options of discounts or codes that we can go ahead and use. Now before you go back to Suno and do your editing, just head back here and just choose on any web or any promo codes that you can or you want to use. So for example, on this one, just simply click on this one. It will automatically copy the code and go back to Suno AI. So that's it. That's how you find the best Suno AI working discount code.